Today is Lindsay Donovan's first day at Silverton Financial Planning. She's excited to make people's dreams a reality, buying a first home, saving for college, and planning for retirement. Unlike her last job, Silverton gives her the freedom and flexibility to work in the office, at her customers' locations, or from the comfort of her home, which is exactly where Lindsay starts day one. Her first step is unboxing a new Chrome OS device that arrived over the weekend. Silverton IT already used the Google admin console to set up everything Lindsay needs to get to work, including the Citrix Workspace app. Lindsay boots up her Chrome OS device and follows a few easy setup steps. Google Cloud Identity and Citrix Workspace have an authentication trust, allowing her to use a single Silverton financial account for everything she needs to do. Once logged in, Citrix Workspace loads her personalized digital workspace. Everything she needs to get to work is ready to go: apps, Windows desktops, and files, without installing any apps or calling the help desk. Citrix Workspace prioritizes her first few onboarding tasks, including e-signing new hire documentation and reviewing her bio for marketing using Citrix Content Collaboration. Without switching apps, getting through onboarding is fast and easy. Lindsay then signs up for e-learning courses and starts to get acquainted with the different SaaS, web, and Windows apps she'll use. From one place, she can securely access them using single sign-on without entering a new password. Even though Lindsay is using a Chrome device, she can use Windows desktops and apps because they have been virtualized on Google Cloud with Citrix Workspace. Lindsay's first day is off to a smooth start without any of the typical new hire IT headaches. Later that week, she travels to a customer's rural branch office using Android Enterprise and Citrix Workspace to work along the way. Once there, the global access to Google Cloud and the high performance of Citrix Workspace securely take her entire workspace with her, picking up exactly where she left off. There are great things ahead for Lindsay and Silverton Financial. Let Citrix, Google Cloud, and Chrome Enterprise show you how to make this experience yours.